Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. True Dreams with Lady T is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time you're the Denge post for YouTube or you dey watch, you never subscribe, please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you can watch more of our videos, or you will just know anytime we put video for here. Thank you so much for coming around again and God bless you. So today, I don't want to waste time, I go sharp. Today, na about one of our sister. She say she dey vex for three different kind of people. She say she want revenge, and that revenge, she say she want revenge for her friends and her ex-boyfriend parents too. He say want revenge for them too. Then the people wey carry her come Europe, he say want revenge for those people too. That is these three kind of people. Now she say she want revenge for. So before I tell you now wetin happen, I just want correct some kind comments when we say I see for the comment section. And there are two different kind of comments when I see from people, so I just want correct the comment because maybe these people they not really know what this platform be, and maybe they think am the other way around. Number one, we say somebody they talk say and make I dey hear from the other side before I come dey talk am. Maybe that person they lie. Yes, na truth, that person fit dey lie, but for me I not believe say that they lie, because they not come this platform say they make they can't judge. No, you know, say if you can't say you can't judge something before you go judge, you will hear from the other side. Yeah, not be a court of law, and me I not be judge. I think you understand. So I want to try to make these people understand. So anybody bring matter on this platform, now waiting they disturb her for mind, and she dey look for way forward, make she for not make mistake. If now waiting she don't make mistake, she don't want make more mistake. That's why she dey bring her on this platform, so that people will put opinion, put comment, send voice recording, so that they will know how to take arrange am, so that they don't make more mistake, or if they don't make mistake, for them to correct themselves. And above all, before the people even they tell me they bring this matter on this platform, they don already they bring am come, so that other people they get good hearts, because they don't want make other people fall in victim. Now make they see they bring am they come, before they go even tell me the matter, say don't say abeg Lady T bring am come, so that people go learn, they don't go make the same mistake where I make. Now what did they first talk say bring am come this platform, but I don't want show my face, I don't want make voice record, because people go recognize me. But I don't want make you bring am come, make I know where I forget my fault, or make I for not make more mistake, or make people for know, so that other people not go make the same mistake when she make, because she dey ignorant at that time. That's why I dey bring this matter on this platform. And this platform, it just be like a Nollywood people, that they heart film, that they have true life story. Wetin don happen. That's why you see say some people, something happen, don say now wetin we dey see for film be this, so now wetin we don see for Nollywood film be this, because now wetin dey happen, true life story, now Nollywood people take the art film, and they know they bring the people when the thing really happen to. Wetin they do, they get the actors and actresses, actors and actresses when they act the this thing. You understand? Not be those people when it happen, not be it happen to. It's just like me now, not be me it happen to. Me I dey talk, as those people they act their own, me they use my mouth, they talk. Nothing different from inside. Now true life story, it's just for you to pick your own. Don't way not be your own, you leave out for the other people. When you get the matter, they go pick their own from there. You know, must be say anything I talk go be for you. If you not be your own, you just watch. They do be on, you pick. Then I want answer the second one. The second one say make I dey show proof. Proof not dey. My dear, not be everybody like to dey come out, they come show if face for social media, or come they talk for social media, say see wetin happen to me, see mistake when I do, see wetin I do. Not be everybody like am. Nobody will never make mistake. I don't make mistake. Even you when put that comment here, you don't make mistake too. But if you feel say your own, nobody will not get story. You feel say your own story or your own mistake, you want bring your face come out, make you can't talk and make the whole world see you, no problem. This platform is open for everybody. I will gladly put you for here, make you put am. You dey corner they talk say they no proof. You feel come out, come talk your own story with your own proof, show your face, because not be everybody like to dey show your face. They just want to talk, and so that people go there aware, say see wetin dey happen for this life. So make I stop here, me I no waste time. So this platform is open for anybody. If you want to open your face, especially you when they talk say no proof, I will talk, this one say, that one say, my sister or my brother, this platform is open for you. Come talk your story, come talk your mistake when you don't make. Nobody is perfect. I go gladly bring you come out. Yeah, no be you go tell people when you come talk their own mind or want use their own story to encourage other people, make they come they bring their face come out. So we'll just end that talk for there. So back to my topic. So wetin I wan try to talk, and another thing again, sorry, you know say I no be judge. That's why I know that if they bring the story come, I wan just correct them, say okay, see where you for make mistake, or the platform will tell you say if you want me I bring a come platform, the platform will tell you say see where you for make mistake, and then they go through the comment, and I dey happy say these people they write back say they really know their mistake and now they know how to move forward. Because if I come say bring your husband come or bring your wife come, come dey judge the matter, the matter go pass another thing. I hope una understand me. The matter it go pass another thing, not the one they talk on like this. You come say na so it be, na so it be. And besides that, then when they bring the matter come for me, if una they watch me, I know they hold the matter like say okay, hey, this man wetin he do so e no good, I begin dey curse the man. I know they do like that, because the person wey bring matter for me, e no say me I insult the other person. Person wey bring matter for me, e no wan put the matter concerning the other person. He put the matter based on say na my own part. Now I wan know my own part. So I no fit go dey say you go bring the other one make come judge you, not because of law. Abeg una no vex, so I waste time for this talk. May I go back to the voice recording wey our sister play, then I'll tell una wetin really happen for here. Una just listen to the voice recording. Oh my God.
My people, my brothers, my sisters, my auntie, my mama in the house. So now me say make Lady T talk about this matter, because now what's not they eat me, that they make me they think, that they make me do what they're not supposed to do. Now me say me should talk about them. I beg, make
Okay, so una here now only the proof when the person permit me to do be this. He say make I just bring a come platform when I know say somebody involved for there, and wetin the person tell me now they do. I know they pass my boundary. If you know say you want to dey show person face, this platform, the YouTube is very wide. You can go and open your own and they show everybody when they tell you story face. That one no be problem. You understand? I'll still come there, come still watch, no problem. So now wetin they tell me now they do. So now voice record now this person permit me now still come here come talk. So according to wetin I dey talk since, she say na 3 people now she want revenge for. I beg my people, my precious people, my beautiful people, make una listen to wetin happen to this our sister. This our sister, she say she dey 18 years when her auntie tell am say somebody for Europe needs somebody, say make come Europe, say, and if they'll sponsor all the journey expenses and all that, if the person come, the person will pay them back with so amount, with the agreements. She agree, the both sides agree. So when it they reach the time where they want to do everything, this our sister come sick, she can't do appendix. So as she do appendix, now her mother come to say she not fit travel with this appendix. So the other people when they Europe, when want carry her, because they talk say no, abeg o, she too fine o. And if you really see this our sister, you know say pikin fine, you understand? She's too fine o, they no wan lose her o. And maybe even though say she do appendix, make she come, no problem. So the mother come they try to explain to them, say make the appendix fair heal, because the doctor say after 3 months before she go fit do any work. For now she no need anything hard work, she need to just relax for 3 months. But the people when they Europe say make she not worry, say she will take care of them. And since they already start the process, if they can't stop her, you'll be like say they lose money. So I beg, make she come, say they will give her time, make he rest. If you don't rest before you go start work and all that, they'll promise and heaven and earth, they'll take care of her, they'll do different kind of things. Now she and now the mother come say, these people the way they talk, it be like say they really did nice. Say well, make she they come. Now so she can't enter Europe. When she can't enter Europe, not be wetin she expects, not being she see. The next thing, they start to dey maltreat her. She just come, just dey 2 days. They say make she go hustle. And you know say appendix now, you know somebody there on top, you know, you understand now. It can't be like say that they stress that place when she for do appendix operation. No, the thing can't they, e can't get as e be for her. The place not quick heal, and even up till now, after how many years, she see they get pains for there, she see they go treatment for that pains. And according to her, say wetin come even vex am pa after she manage use that appendix, this thing still take settle them with their money finish. At the end, they come still follow and fight, they come injure her. If you see the big mark wey they put for her body, maybe I go put the mark for this video, maybe I no go put am, maybe I never know. So if you see the mark wey they put for her body, very big mark wey they put for her body, after they put am, they come call police, they come lie for her head. Now she come tell police say no, say na they bring her come, say as they take carry her come and all that. Now police people come say okay, they need proof to show say na they bring you come and all that. So where she dey keep the paper, where she for take dey write how she take give them money, they carry the paper, all the proof when she get, they carry all the proof. They don already make arrangement of wetin they wan do, they make sure say they close all the proof, so she not gonna get proof. So na so the matter can't take head like that. So she can't really dey frustrated, and she no know wetin she wan do. Na then she can't go meet this set of friends. But I remember say I think na 3 kind of people na she say she want revenge for payback time. So now there she come frustrate, she can't go meet this kind of friends. They be girls, they rent their apartment, they stay the same house. Now so she can't say according to her, she say she be decent girl, she don't know how they say they drink alcohol, she don't know how to smoke. He say now from there they can't start to the teach her how to they do all these things. She can't they follow that they do He say and for there those his friends, the way that they do, he can't discover say that they jogodo each other guy, you know, this one will do this one, and for there is nothing. He say go say he no fit follow them live all this kind life wey they do, when be say no privacy, this one not be my guy, that one not be my own, the next thing this one go this jogodo this one, or this one go jogodo this one. He say he not fit for all this kind thing, and he no like am. He say luckily for her that time she come dey date one guy, so the guy come say make come dey stay with her, not that the guy come say he wan marry her, but the guy come say he must have to be pregnant before he go marry her, before he go see family, before he go put money for her head. So now her friend, those are friend though, one of them come still tell her say okay, make you just pretend like say you dey pregnant, so that the guy will go put money for your head. The same come lie to the guy say he dey pregnant. He say now the guy come say okay, he go put money for her head. Before you know it dey happen, one of those girls again, they come still go tell the guy say the pregnancy not be the guy get am. And really, as she just lie, e just dey like 2 weeks, she can't really dey pregnant, and the guy come dey deny say the pregnancy not be him get am and all that. She can't say she not fit start like this. She say she can't go that one, he can't remove am. He say as he remove that one, he can't jam correct Igbo guy. As he jam correct Igbo guy, he say this Igbo guy, he say he hold money well for that area. Say oh na e need the rain, no. He say the guy hold pepper well. He say the guy can't see love. I say because in a person will be say if you see, you must fall in love with her, whether you be man, whether you be woman. She just get that luck. He say the guy can't say he go marry him. Now the guy can't tell her in your parents for house say he don't see girl when he want marry. Now his parents say lele, or as far say now Europe before see the girl, say they not go ever agree make you marry am, because all these Europe girls now also that they go also we not go ever agree make you. It's the guy can't even lie, can't say not be also she can't also now school now she dey go, she be student. He said the mother say lie, the father say lie, they not go green. He said the guy really love her, and she herself she loved the guy too, but the guy can't try to deceive the parents, say na not be also na student now she be, but they can't dey together, they can't stay together. But anytime she just get belle, before you know it dey happen, say go just dream they'll carry stick, they go hit her for stomach. Before you know it dey happen, the belle don't go. Every time. And he said this pregnancy not be even 2 months or 3 months. They talk about 6 months, 7 months, you know. He said every time. And many people go they talk say all this kind of thing are lie, not they exist. It dey exist, oh, believe me, it dey exist. When people say the person just get belle, go your dream say somebody can't hit am. Before you just wake up, the next thing everything don't burst away. It really dey happen, you understand. You see, na so the thing come dey continue dey come, and e come be say na the boy parents hand na dem see for inside, because dem don already talk am say lie dem no go gree make e marry her. So dem go to every length to make sure say that pikin e no see am give the boy. But every time dey always dey get belle, but the thing na so e dey comot. If dem no come fight am for night, blow am for night, sometimes e even get one day sef wey be say the guy buy ticket, he wan go house, he no let am know. Na that guy friend na even come dey tell am say, see oh, this guy wan go house go marry another person, and she dey with pregnancy don big. He say na so he come go check up, but he come see the ticket, say, you dey go house, you no even tell me say you dey go house, you wan run leave me with this pregnancy. He say before you know it, dey happen, dem start to dey fight. Say the guy beat am sotey he come fall for ground. People come dey think say she don even die sef, because she no even come dey breathe again. So the guys when dey there come dey tell the guy say, run oh, you know, run oh, if dem just catch you now, na inside school you go see yourself, run oh. So he say the guy come run. He say but when the guy reach road, he no get that mind, he no get that heart. He come say no, na he do this thing, he have to face it, he no fit run comot, because e conscience na go fit even finish him for where he dey run dey go. He come back, now dem come dey curse am, dey blame am, say you be mumu, you no get sense, why you no run, why you come back? He say he must come back. He say na so he come take come, and he thank God he come fit dey breathe, dem come take care of am before later she come by herself go hospital. Na so she come still take lose that one, and ever since then she no get again. Na that one come be the last one. She no come get anything like pregnancy again. And so the guy take go Nigeria, the guy no come back again. Just from there found another level for another area, come marry and all that. So he come your day like that. Then from there now he come say jam another guy again. He say this guy now say another correct guy still get money. He say they get luck well. Say but the relationship no dey stay. He say so this guy when he come jam, he say the guy he pepper, he rest, you know. He say so the guy come say he want marry, I come tell him mama. Now him mama come say okay, no problem. And the guy when be say him mama na person when be say he dey waka, he sabi waka. You understand? They waka. Nowhere you know they waka they go. He say so now there him mama come call and say this girl when say you want marry, we don't go check am. You know go fit marry this girl because the girl wetin dey follow her. Like I say wetin dey follow, I say before you know wetin dey happen, the guy just call am. He tell am say see your name. He say even that his name sef, na only she and him mama wey give am that name na know say she dey bear that kind deep native name. He say nobody know, because no be name wey dem even dey call am for house. He say he surprised say the boy call the name, he call him mama name, he call him papa name, he call the village where they from, even him grandpapa and him grandmama name. He say the guy call all this name. He say he come surprised, say where your mama go, the place strong go, he come fit know all these things. Say he come say my dear, my mama don talk am, there's nothing I can do, so make we share garri. He say na so she come take comot. Then she come tell mama say which kind thing be this? Then I come tell him mama say mama, na person na waka for a pikin like that, so you need to waka for me to know the solution of wetin dey happen to me, because you no fit just fold your hand like that. He say mama na Christian, na church you dey go before you know wetin dey happen. Mama don enter outside, na there mama begin dey waka too. Na there mama come see wetin dey happen to this our sister. So he say so na so she come just dey like that with nothing and all that. He said but right now she dey very okay. She get money, she get house, she dey very comfortable. But one, pregnancy e no dey come. Two, husband e no dey. Three, husband no dey, pregnancy no dey come. The guy wey still dey, that one need pregnancy. No, our guys of nowadays don say first get belle before they go see your family. Most of them, 80-something% of them na wetin dem dey talk now, and pregnancy no come. So the guy no ready to go see any family, and husband e no say. But she dey very okay. She get her, she get everything, get good character, but she no get all these things. You understand? So right now, let me come answer and say okay, now wetin be the situation now? Wetin you really want now? You understand? Now she come talk say wetin she really want now. Say she don turn to drunkard. Say because that time when she take go stay with all this her friend, and there she take learn how to dey drink, how to dey smoke. She no sabi all those things before, and now na inside bottle na im dey. He know how many packet of cigar she dey finish a day. He say that one no be life. He say he no fit stop am. He dey try to stop am. He no know as he wan take stop am. Say abeg, if there is any way wey he go fit take stop all these things, make una tell am make she for stop am. She herself no like am, but she no dey fit stop am. She go say she go stop am. Before you know, she don go back to the drinking and smoking. And he say all those are friends. That time when he dey friend that Igbo guy, when be say the guy hold pepper well, he say na so they'll come the guy house. He say before the guy buy ticket comot finally, na wetin the guy see, he can't even tire am. Number one, him parents no fair green. He dey miscarriage, and the friends wey she come see get nothing to write home about. He say na so they'll just come. He say because the house wey dem dey that time na duplex, she just dey up with her pregnancy. She go tire. All her friends go say they come greet her. They'll go sit down for sitting room for down. Before you know wetin dey happen, they don drink, throway bottle anyhow, smoke anyhow. If the guy just dey come from work, he just open door, all the house dey smell cigar, all the house dey smell smoke. When be say they don take smoke, don take drink, the way that they behave. And the guy sef, they can't even dey carry their own ample. They give the guy, they chop anyhow. So now the guy can just decide for him and say, birds of the same feather flew together, as they talk. So may just rest, as the parents just tell him may rest. And beside that, not be say if he still born for am, that made the guy even go buy a ticket, comot that time. He say so now the way our friends still take behave. He say right now all these are friends, all of them wey don marry for inside. The way they don engage, when be say you and their guy, they stay the same house, na about to marry, they don already dey there. He say so now they don spoil her home, their own dey okay. He say the thing dey pain now. He say because he wan do the payback, he wan go meet their own guy too. If na so wetin they do to her, make she still go do am to their guy, make still go their house, because they no even dey give am green light. They no dey call her again. They just face their family, face their, the way he face his boyfriend, face his boyfriend, the way he face his husband, face his husband. They no even send her again. And now they come dey disturb her with, they use their reggae come take dey spoil her blues. That time when she fair get, because now she fair get, after they don spoil her own, now all of them don use am kolobi their own put for her pit, hold am kpakparakpam. Nobody no go there, nobody dey near there. If you even say you wan come visit themselves, they go say abeg, we no dey house, no come visit us. You see am? And now she come say okay, my how that time una dey do as una like. Now e don reach una turn, una dey kolobi una own. He say na the wetin dey vex am, na make am call. So he wan do the payback time, and he get the way he say he wan still take do the payback time. I come dey say abeg, I go still bring am come platform, make una see shook una mouth put, make una see advice am say make he leave vengeance for God, make he no do payback time. Or wetin una think about this matter, make una see talk am. He say because he still get one for inside wey be say that one now, na only she and that one be remain, wey be say he still dey single. That one now, they say they hold that one dey school, because say e get one problem with the other, na they take hold that one now. And that one no get money. He say the time when person wey carry am come take arrest her, that time when she take dey inside, he say all her money wey she get for house, all her things, her property, na so they carry her money, they shop her, all her property, na so they sell everything, carry the money. She no see anything. He say and this her friend now don dey no get anything, because she don dey okay. He say na her own money na she dey spend for this her friend now. They take lawyer for am for everything. He say whether make it continue or make it not continue. He say because the friends when you just get, e be like say na the friends wey be say they go dey take from her own hand, they go dey take. If you reach time to help, they no go help am. But if they don see dey their own yawa, na she go come still go dey help them. He say so wetin una think, this her friend, make e just leave am, make e just dey where e dey, so make e no pay lawyer money again, or make e continue. He say that one na part. He say that's why she want revenge for the person wey carry am come, for the way they take treat her, because that her pains of her appendix is still there. And they still dey talk am now say if he come the last checkup, they'll redo the operation again for that appendix. You see pains when she wan pass through. He say she just dey vex, dey provoke for that one. Then the girlfriends too, when all of them be say they don marry now, they kolobi their husband put for inside her hand, they no even send her again. He say they vex for those one too. Then his ex-boyfriend wey be say they no let her rest, they no let her born the pikin, and now she no get pikin again. All the pikin wey he remove for that guy that time, say that they go 5, that they go 6 that time, say no see anyone for eye. He say because na that one parents na they see for inside. He say so, and these 3 people now you want revenge for. As I dey talk to you, my people, this my sister, he put correct hot drink for table with cigar. He dey take am say e life he no know as he want to, and she's still very young. I'm telling you, she's 20 something. This girl no be say na person wey don old o, na very young girl, na person wey be say e start life for 18 years, start to dey see wetin big people dey see. So she still dey very young and beautiful. So which advice una get for this our sister now? My most concern about her na make she stop that drinking and that smoking, because I don't believe say any responsible man will come for woman wey go carry bottle of drink put for table, finish am why, carry crate of abi carton of cigar, smoke am why. Which man go carry? I don't know how she will fit take stop her. That one be my most concern. That one when she say she want revenge, at least I know say people go fit talk to her for that one go dey aside. But to stop that drinking and that smoking, e no go be easy thing, and that thing dey affect for body, especially for women body. E dey affect well. So wetin you think say e go fit take stop that drinking and that smoking? Abeg my brother, my sister, she could be your younger sister. Please just give your advice to save a soul. That's why you dey see say sometimes some people don't just want do wetin they're not supposed to do. They'll just feel like say me they just hand it up, say life you don't tire them, they don't give up, they don't do everything. All these things now wetin they cause am. Now wetin really they cause am. The way our Nigeria girls they suffer for Europe is so bad. I don't lie you. Other country people not they suffer like that. Our Nigeria own, it can't be like say they can even worst pass. We go suffer for us. We'll see come Europe. We go continue. Anyway, wanna leave on a comment. Thank you so much for coming around again. Thank you, and God bless you. I remain your sister, your friend, your pikin, your girl, anyone you call me. I did there for you. Please, if you are not subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you can watch more of our video. Thank you so much. Thank you, and God bless you. This video too. Now wow.